What's up, online shoppers? I want to tell you about this really cool tool I found. Now, if you do any painting whatsoever, you know that touch-ups can be a nightmare. This here is the SlobProof Touch Up Pen. It's refillable, so you can put in whatever paint you want, and then you have the precision and control of this tiny little end, so you can get the paint exactly where you want it. You get 2 of their applicators and a refill syringe. This is a great tool to use for walls, for furniture, for kitchen cabinets, for any woodwork that gets high wear and tear. And on the package, it says that you can keep paint in here for up to 7 years. That's a lot of touch-ups in 7 years. And what drew me to these is they are so easy to use. All you have to do is open up the package, draw paint into this little applicator right here, put it into your touch-up pen, and then you start painting. This is one of the SlobProof pens right here, and one draw of your syringe is enough to fill one of your SlobProof pens. Then you're just going to click the lid on like this. Now, in order to get your pen to work, you're supposed to click this because then it pushes this a little farther and farther down. And this is a little flexible brush tip, like a little paintbrush. So you can see how this gives you a ton of control that you would be able to get into all those tiny little places to fix up any scratches on wall, on trim, and so much more. As I give this a little push, you can see it actually moving the liquid down, and then it just pops a little bit of it out like that. Now you can see what great control you have with this. You can go into corners, you can do sharp turns with it, and a couple more clicks brings more of your liquid out like that, and you can control your movements very nice and easy. These SlobProof pens are fantastic. They are mess-free, they are stress-free. A couple clicks gives you paint at your tip, and you can just go in there and draw or color or fill with precision. I'm really impressed with these. I think these are fantastic. I love that I'm going to be able to fix all the paint touch-ups on my walls. I love that once I've put the lid on this, it's going to keep the paint in here nice and fresh until the next time I have to do a touch-up. And I love that I don't have to have big containers of anything. I literally can use the tiniest amount of paint to get my touch-ups done with these really easy to use refillable paint pens. Now, if I was finished with all the paint in here, I could rinse it and clean it out. Again, give the tip another really good clean, and I would be able to use this for another application. I love that this is eliminating all the mess and hassle of painting and patching. And I think this is going to be really great to use on all my arts and craft projects, as well as the touch-ups that have to happen around my house. The precision with this is fantastic. I think this is a great solution that is mess-free for painting and touching up. And if you're looking for a great little gadget to have handy, your painting touch-ups and for all your craft applications, these SlobProof touch-up pens are awesome, and they are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.